Destiny, and welcome back to the 12 Cafe Home Edition. Today we will be making the easiest scones on planet Earth, or at least what I've found so far. And so yeah, let's get on with the video. Before you start mixing anything, don't forget to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to incorporate the salt, the baking powder, and the sugar into the flour. Just mix it with a spoon. Next, you're going to add the vanilla into the heavy cream. And you're going to stir that also with a spoon. Now, you're going to pour in the heavy cream into the flour mixture. And then you're going to mix this around. I'm gonna dump it out onto the table and just incorporate any other, I know I missed a lot of flour, but I just couldn't get to it in this tiny bowl. You want the heavy cream to be cold because in other recipes you use cold shaved butter, so the heavy cream is acting like the butter in this recipe and getting all that flour in. So I just like to pour the flour on top and kind of like squish it into the dough. And you're gonna form it into a disc. You're gonna pat it down until it's about 7 inches long and 1 inch thick. Next, you're gonna cut it. You're gonna cut it into 6. Place them on a baking sheet. Since they're so buttery, I don't use parchment paper and they come off just fine. But it's up to you. You can use parchment paper if you want. Lastly, you're going to just brush the scones with some heavy cream. If you want, you can also make an egg wash, which is just 1 egg and like some water, and brush that on too. It's completely up to you. This will just give a nice golden brown on the top. If you don't have a brush, you can just use your fingers. That's what I've used sometimes, and it works perfectly fine as well. And then you're gonna bake it for 14 to 16 minutes until golden brown. Okay, so here they are. They are golden brown and they smell delicious. I like to cut them open and then I'll add in butter and jam and lemon curd, and you can add any other spreads you would like into the scone, or you can just eat it like how it is right now, buttery and delicious. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you check out all the other videos in the 12 Cafe playlist, and don't forget to stay updated for all the updates that I bring you through Instagram. So bye guys, see you next week.